Hi guys, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna make our lunch. So I am making tinulang manok. So I'm boiling water now. This is the manok. And then the oyster, the stir fry vegetables. So ayan. Prepare muna tayo ng mga ingredients. Okay. Ayan guys, nilagay ko na yung manok and yung green chili, onion, tsaka nilagyan ko rin ng vegetables. Kailangan ko maglagay ng gulay guys. Kasi anak ko hindi kumakain ng gulay. So lahat ng lulutuin ko, nilalagyan ko ng gulay. Kasi pag nagustuhan niyo yung ulam, so makakain niya yun. So, tips for all the nanay there. Lahat na ng paraan go. Ilagay nyo na. Lahat na ng paraan, lahat na ng idea. Whatever sa pagluluto. Pag yung mga anak nyo hindi kumakain ng gulay. Just do that. Alam mo yun. So, ayan. And guys, lalagay ko na yung bawang for stir fry and sibuyas. Kumukulo na yung aking manok. A little bit of tomato. And then we're gonna add the beef strips. I'm gonna add a little bit of fish sauce in this one. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. Alright. And then we'll just cover this up. this is good for this kind of weather. Right? So, yan guys, tapos na. And this one is, let's give this I think this is all good. So this is it guys. And my okay, I'm gonna add more veggies on this one. Nako, asawa ko mahilig sa ganito. My husband, this is his request actually. So I think I have to add a little bit of water in this one. So not a little bit of gravy, just not that much, just a little bit. And this one is done. Let's cover this up. So, antayin natin to. At least 1 minute pa. Para luto na lahat. Nice, ha? Kids, eat lots of vegetables because it's good for your health. So let's cover it up for at least 30 seconds. And I'm done! I'm done guys. We are about to eat in a few minutes. So I'll see you all again on my next vlog.
Bye guys.